Okay, a lot of you guys don't know what I'm saying with no sound. Today we're going to be doing the no sound challenge, so yeah. So here, okay, let's turn the screen for proof. Okay, I'm going to plug my headphones in to make it more harder. Okay. Okay, so we're doing the no sound challenge. I don't really know a place where to put the iPad, so I'm just going to put it down here. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, we're hacking a computer. So yeah, as a lot of you may know, I'm a level 78 in this. Sorry if I haven't uploaded videos that often to my channel. Are you serious? Someone's already captured. You know what? I gotta save them. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I can't hear any heartbeats. I can only see the light to see if they're there. But I mean, come on. Can't be that hard. Actually, it might be that hard. I kind of regret saying that. Oh, what are you doing? Bruh, wrong side, wrong side. Hello, camper, camping. You're camping. Oh, no. What are you doing? You're on the wrong side of the neighborhood. What are you doing, the diamond boy? What are you doing? Okay, run for your life. Run for your life, come on. Run for your life. Hey there, bud. Come on. Bruh, do you even know? Oh! Bro, what is he doing? Is he gonna go the other side or the side where I am? Sorry for... Okay. Oh man, he just hit him. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna crawl. Okay, I'm just gonna crawl. Okay, I'm just gonna crawl down. Okay, he's clearly doing nothing. Should I just show you what he's doing? This is all he's doing. He's just hitting that person. Bruh, I feel bad for him. Bro, what is it? Is he trying to drag him? Bruh. Okay, time to go. Whoa there, buddy. Whoa there, roadster. Bruh, he's laggy. He's lagging. Whoa there, bro. Whoa there. Oh, man, he didn't get hit. Bruh, we should be hacking computers right now. I'm gonna hack that computer. Okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna show you anything. I'm just gonna... Okay, I have to save that person again. Run! Gotta hack that computer. I gotta hack it. Come on. Open the door. No. This computer is a quarter hacked. You know what? Gotta save him. He's worried. Did he get hit again? I'm kind of scared. You know what? I have to hack computers. Mar is the one who keeps on getting captured. Mar5709. As you can see... Bruh, wrong side, bro. Wrong side. Bro, what are you doing? Run, what are you doing, Mara? What are you doing? You're just gonna hit them, or what? Bro, we're literally 5 minutes into the video and, oh, wrong side! Okay, you know what? I got a hacker computer. Huh? Have to at least hack a computer. Someone please help me. I'm stuck in the wall. Poor thing. I'll try to help you. Oh crap! I did not see that coming. I literally just flew across the room. Come on, run. Run. Run right now. What are you doing? He got me dragged. No. He's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. No. Oh man, Diamond left. Now he's gonna get Mar. See? He's almost dead. I'm captured. Mar, if you don't save me right now, I'm literally just gonna end the video right here. I don't know why I want to end the video, but I tried so hard. Okay, sorry if I kept the camera like down over here, guys. I'm literally dying. Bruh. He literally just won the game. Okay, so we may have not, won the no sound challenge. Maybe I'll try my best to do another round if I'm able to post this video if it's over 10 minutes long. But right now this video is 7 minutes long. The beast was Mowgli. I got captured by a level 8 beast. Bruh. Man. Okay. Guys, I'm just gonna take a break from putting my headphones on. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. I hope you can, but yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm ready to go now. Okay, oh, my friend, Othniel is the best. He's a level 72. I'm level 78 at VIP, but he joined me, and, yeah. So, I'm trying to do the no sound challenge, but I failed the first round. Great. Now we have to do a banned facility. You know what? I'm gonna end it right here. Okay, if you guys enjoyed that video, maybe some of you didn't, but if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. I'll continue playing Flee Facility, and I'll continue to post videos in the future, because, I only have like 18 or 19 videos on this channel, so yeah. Okay, you know what, I have to join OT because I just lost connection.